Hello friends, welcome to Unify Study channel. Today we will know about the important facts or events related to 16th October. Let's start. In the year of 1757, on this day the Austrian army captured Berlin, the capital of Germany. In the year of 1788, on this day Shah Alam was placed on the throne of Delhi by the Marathas. In the year of 1896, on this day Seth Govind Das, India's freedom fighter, parliamentarian and Hindi literature, was born. In the year of 1905, on this day, the first partition of Bengal was done by Lord Curzon. In the year of 1923, on this day, the Walt Disney Company was founded by Roy and Walt Disney. In the year of 1939, on this day, Germany made the first attack on British territory during World War II. In the year of 1939, on this day, Digambar Hansda, a scholarly educationist of the Santhali language and a Padam Shri awardee, was born. In the year of 1951, on this day, Pakistani Prime Minister Liaquat Ali Khan, counted among the fathers of modern Pakistan, was assassinated during a public meeting. In the year of 1959, on this day, National Council for Women's Education was established. In the year of 1964, on this day, China, eager to join the nuclear competition, successfully tested its first atomic bomb. In the year of 1968, on this day, Har Gobind Khurana was awarded the Nobel Prize in Medicine. In the year of 1978, on this day, Indian cricketer Kapil Dev made his Test debut against Pakistan in Faisalabad. In the year of 1982, on this day, the Soviet Union conducted an underground nuclear test. In the year of 1994, on this day, Indian freedom fighter Ganesh Ghosh passed away. In the year of 1996, on this day, the British government unveiled plans to ban almost all types of handguns in the country after the Dunblane massacre. In the year of 1999, on this day, UN America imposed sanctions on Pakistan in protest against the military rule. In the year of 2005, on this day, the G20 countries agreed to reform the World Bank and the IMF. In the year of 2012, on this day, a new planet Alpha Centauri b was detected outside the solar system. In the year of 2014, on this day, New Zealand, Malaysia, Angola, Spain, and Venezuela were elected to the UN Security Council. In the year of 2018, on this day, Irish author Anna Vance was awarded the prestigious Man Booker Award 2018 for her book Milkman. This book is a painful story of a young woman who is physically and mentally tortured by a powerful man. In the year of 2020, on this day, Prime Minister Narendra Modi released a commemorative coin of Rs 75 to commemorate the 75th anniversary of the Food and Agricultural Organization. The coin reflects the long-standing relationship between India and the FAO. In the year of 2020, on this day, Aishwarya Sridhar from Mumbai, aged 23, became the first Indian woman to win the Wildlife Photographer of the Year 2020 award. This was the 56th year of the prestigious award. In the year of 2020, on this day, India was ranked 94th out of 107 countries in the Global Hunger Index 2020 with a score of 27.2. India has been replaced in the Savor category in the GHI scale. In 2021, today, World Food Day is observed globally on 16 October every year. World Food Day was celebrated in 1981. This day is celebrated to eradicate hunger from our lives all over the world. Theme of World Food Day 2021 is Safe Food Now for a Healthy Tomorrow. Thanks for watching and support. Kindly share the video to other friends.